My name is Kulwant Sandhu, and so we are farming here more than 5 years. Last year, Major Dillon, he tell us government has a program. This is the thing you can do. Its heights goes up to 6 to 8 feet, and berry stays below the 6 feet because we prune every year. So usually sprayer nozzles are equal to the berry, and when the winds blows, drift won't pass the laurel trees because they are thick. In next few years they will stop the drift. This is good for environment too. Also it attracts the honeybees. If bees come here, they sit on the flowers too. Farmers need to choose something right for them. In my farm, they're providing variety of plants, which one I needed. My main reason is drift won't go on the neighbors.